Harbor Freight chainsaw. Let's see. So it is 16-inch chainsaw, 14.5 amp, 5800 RPM. It's their Bauer brand. Low kickback, 16-inch bar and chain, automatic chain oiler, transparent viewing window, whatever, corded. Came with an instruction manual and some of their bar and chain oil. 3.4 fluid ounces of it, which will probably fill this thing not even halfway, which is why I picked up some actual stuff. Alright, let's take an actual look at it now. Nice. This thing actually stay on now that I don't have my zip tie on it that it came with. Let's see. Yeah. That thing stays on enough. It'll be fine in the shed. The old barn chain. That was funny. Laugh. That filled it up to, that's the halfway mark right there. All right, let's go get a cord. Looper, squeezer, pull her through, and squeeze her into that little loop. Once you do that, you can plug her in here. Now, going around the yard, not going to pull that, unplug it. That seems pretty freaking powerful, I'm going to be honest. But let's see. So here's our stack. Yeah, let's see what we can do. I kind of want to go through the smaller diameter stuff first, then work our way up to this stuff. I don't even know how. You know, that's probably 7 inches, 6 inches in diameter, so. I made quick work of that. Very quick. Don't want to stick that saw into the ground. I mean, it's nothing. This is, I don't even know, a few inch diameter, making nothing but quick work of it. Nothing. I mean, that was the easiest work that posed no challenge whatsoever. It's not much thicker until my left-hand side. Over here, this is a little thicker. Not that much thicker though, like 2 times maybe in the thickest areas. That was also nothing. This is a serious log. This is a real log. This is for a real chainsaw. That stuff you can do with a pole saw, a nice pole saw. This is your real test. So let's try it out. That was nothing. Felt like nothing. Smooth like butter. Perfect cut. I don't know how big that is in diameter. Okay. I've been sitting here guessing what all these are. I'm gonna go get a tape measure. The thickest point. That's at the thickest point. It's about 10.5 inches. The thickest point was 5 inches. This is the thinner part of that first one, which is almost exactly 4 inches. The thickest part of that other one, at the thickest point, almost exactly 8 inches, 6.5 on the other. I may have some bigger wood, but I also do have a fallen tree all the way over there. I don't really want to get out my like 6 extension cords to go out there, but I might. We'll see. I don't think I will. This, sir, is what we call a thick boy. A rough estimate, 16 inches. If I cut from here, that'd just about be perfect for fireplace wood. Fuck it, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut her at the thickest point. To see what we can do here, I'm gonna show you real quick. I can. I don't know if you can see that. That little knot or hump goes all the way to this. That's where I measured. Okay, that looks like it might be a little too long. That would probably be okay. So I'm not gonna cut that because that looks like it might be a little bit longer than 16 inches, and this is a 16-inch chainsaw. I'm gonna cut just a little bit to the left of it, max this thing out as much as I can, 15, 16 inches. So let's go. All right. Now, if you have kids watching, earmuffs, that went balls deep, literally. I was touching the body of the chainsaw to the end of this wood. So that is literally as far as it can reach inside of wood. That's okay. My angles are a little off. There it goes. You can see the angle was just a little bit off when I did that second cut. Like butter. At our thickest point. So it looks like because of this little break in the branch, we're at 15 inches, but well, not really. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're literally at 16 inches. Here, I'm gonna show you that. So I had to hook it under that because of the, under this down here because of the bad angle. But if you look at this, that's 16 inches. Mind you, this thing is a 16-inch chainsaw. You know, besides the oil that you need for this thing, which I used up, oh my goodness, almost all of it. See that oil? Good thing that was my last cut for now. I do need to fill it up on oil. But, I mean, look at that. all that stuff, however many logs, I'm not counting it, from 3, 5, 8, 11, 14, probably 12. I mean, this thing, ate through all this, didn't have any problems. Well, I'm impressed, I'll say that. It ran well. After I ended the video, I cut quite a few more logs for the fire stack, and I'll tell you what, this thing held up well. I filled it up halfway with oil, or maybe 2/3 with oil again, burned to 1/3, doing the rest of that stuff, which I didn't do as much as I did when I was recording, but maybe half, 3/4 amount. But I'm telling you, man, this saw for $70, I'm sure you can get better stuff, but this is a solid choice for sure. The motor is not even close to feeling like a hand warmer. I like this lock, it's comfortable. When I did have a little kickback, it's not bad at all. So it's a solid choice, I think, as long as you don't mind the corded electric. Their other one, Portland or something like that? I've heard bad things about it, that's why I didn't get it. I got this one instead. This one was 16-inch and higher amps anyways, so, and I needed something that could cut through a tree. So I like it. I'm glad I got it. $70 is nothing for something as useful as a chainsaw. So if you're gonna get a chainsaw and you don't have that much money, there you go.